Good day, guys. This is Jordan coming at you from beautiful, as always, Canmore, Alberta, here at Canmore Chrysler. I wanted to talk to you about one of our newest builds. This is a 2018 Ram 3500 6.7 Cummins diesel Laramie with a G56 6-speed manual transmission. Yes, a 2018 with a manual transmission. Not exactly very common. This truck is featured with a 2-inch leveling kit, 35-inch tires with 20-inch black wheels, nice kickback mud flaps, two-tone walnut brown bottom with the black interior. We have LED tail lights. Our tailgate locks and unlocks with the rest of the truck, so give it a quick lock. It locks. Unlock it, and then it unlocks to help it so that you don't get that stolen. We have the fifth wheel prep group in here, the box liner as well. Got the 7-prong harness right inside the box, as well as LED lights on both sides. We have a backup camera right here, along with sensors in both the front and back. So not only will it show you on the 8.4 screen where you're going, but it will also beep at you, let you know where and how close things are. We have a 4 and 7-prong harness and a 2.5 inch hitch receiver with a 2-inch adapter inside the truck. This is a crew cab 6'4" box. Lots of room in the back seat. I'm 6'2" and I have no problem hopping in and out of these things. The back seat, you'll notice with the bench seat split, we have fold-out trays which will fold flat on the floor there for you. Both sides will do that. We also have storage in the floor on both sides with removable trays as well. Those are dishwasher safe. And then underneath your fold flat tray, we have some storage down here, the front license plate mount, the 2-inch hitch receiver, as well as a winter front. This 2018 does feature the all-new leather interior, as well as the new Uconnect 8.4 system. Very, very nice looking truck. Nice little mods, but not over the top. So we have sensors in the front here all around the bumper. Big trucks are pretty hard to maneuver, especially in a town like Canmore. Not a lot of parking spaces, so it does help having those sensors on the front and back. We have our LED turn signals here with our halo headlights. Nice chrome grille. And our factory tow mirrors, which are power folding. So the mirrors swing both ways, and they do swing out as well. In the event of doing some towing, you get some better visibility there as well. So we have memory seating, power seats of course, heated seats, cooled seats, and again these are the new revised seats for 2018. You can tell they are the new style because they have the stitching in the center, which just helps for wear, and they are quite a bit more comfortable actually. Gonna hop in and turn it on. As mentioned, this is a 6-speed manual with the G56, which is an awesome transmission. Very rare to see the manuals nowadays, but we are trying to keep them alive out here in Canmore Chrysler. So we have our full digital display down here, which will let us know our instant and average fuel economy. Trip A, trip B, how long you've been towing for, your brake and gain, what you're listening to, messages, meaning if you have low DEF, if you have low tire, it will also tell you which one. If you need an oil change, if you need a service 4x4, that's all in there for you. You can customize this as well by going over here Scrolling down. So if I put a compass, it's going to put a compass right down here. So you can set all that, and then you can put gauges as well, like transmission temperature. Sorry, not transmission temperature with the manual, but oil temperature, oil life, trailer brake, fuel filter life, all that up here. So it's great for customizing it to watch the necessities when towing, in extreme conditions especially. As mentioned, this is the new 2018 screen. As you can see, it's a bit more refined and sharper than the older Uconnect. The touch of it is much like a smartphone. It's very clear, a little bit more crisp as well. We have our heated seats and steering wheel controls here, along with the air conditioned seats. You can turn on your backup camera at any time. As you turn the wheel, it will give you your predicted path as well, whether you're going forwards or backwards. This is also equipped with the new Sirius Guardian, which is much like the OnStar system. In emergency, you can call right there, as well as remote start, locate, lock and unlock doors, all from your phone. We have our Bluetooth right here, which will read you your text messages to you with your voice. You can respond with your voice. This has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as well, which you have your connections down inside the bench seat here for you to go into. This lifts up into a seat with some storage underneath it as well. We have our built-in trailer brake control, auxiliary switches, front and rear parking sensors, as well as an exhaust brake here. The exhaust brake works wonders in the manual. It actually kicks on quite a bit more than in the automatic due to the way that the transmission responds to it. It works really, really well. So here at Canmore Chrysler, we have quite a few. We have one of the best selections of heavy duties in the country, as well as many, many manuals. All the trucks you see here are available in basically both an auto and a manual. So if this truck here isn't exactly what you're looking for, give us a call and we can definitely find something for you. Thanks guys, I appreciate it, and have a great day, and we will see you next time. Thank you.